Emergency strobe lights. Cars also can have strobe lights just like what police have. These lights are available in different versions, depends on the color of the lights and the price changing. And it could have 26 different lights. This infinity cube is helpful to remove stress at work or when studying, and it could take any shape you want. Watch these ceramic balls moving, you won't be able to move your eyes away from it. This another one if you like touching the ball. See this lollipopter, you can change the shape of this lollipopter every time you roll it. Bike chain spinner, another gadget to relieve your stress. Tell me what you think in the comments. Fidget spinner, press this gadget from the middle and it will spin until you stop it. Ono Roller, rolling it in your hands, it's really satisfying. Also, you could use it to massage your hand from time to time. GraviTrax starter set. Here you can do what you want of railway for these tiny metal balls. And you can let your kids play with it too. Flynova Drone, this will help you to get the kids away from the phone, and start playing with this drone. Destruct USB device. This USB designed to safely remove any data from your laptop in seconds. And the manufacturer promos military grade level clean. It could be very handy if you are selling your laptop, to ensure it's clean from all your data. It came with long video as tutorial, so you can use it easily. License plate hider. Now with just a button you can flip and hide your license. This could come in handy if you don't want to get a ticket from passing through a red light. Electromagnet with remote control, to hide your license plate even through your phone. This one also helps you to relieve stress from work. Write in the comments below what you think. NFC Scammer. Do you know how much fast credit card can be? And because of that, stealing other people's data is fast and easy. You need only a few seconds. And these data could obtain with this device from distance of 3 feet. This gadget phone uses for hacking. This phone is really interesting. You can even use it for phone calls but without a SIM card. Just get a IP account on any platform, connecting the phone with Wi-Fi networks, and talk as long as you want. Flipper Zero. This gadget looks like an old-fashioned video game. But it's really amazing. It allows you to control your home system, like GATS, TV and air conditioners. And it has other features, and work for a week without charging. Now you can open doors just like in the moves. This is the most successful electric look brake. GSM Jammer, this device generates signal with no information, and it could block signal like Wi-Fi, phone signal and GPS, it could use at home, classroom and meeting rooms.